And for the first time, you can invest in Bitcoin ETFs after this SEC gave the green light to a select few funds. The move lets people invest in Bitcoin without owning the digital asset directly. That decision came just a day after a fake post on the agency's X account made a similar announcement and sent Bitcoin's value soaring. Let's bring in ABC News business reporter Alexis Christoforous for more. Alexis, can you start by just explaining what an ETF is and why this is so significant for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies?
Good place to start. What is an ETF? It's an exchange-traded fund. It is an investment vehicle very similar to a mutual fund. It holds a basket of assets like stocks, bonds, commodities, in this case, Bitcoin. It trades on the major stock exchanges, and its price can change throughout the trading day. This is a watershed moment for the industry. It legitimizes cryptocurrency in a way nothing else has, and it really is a game changer. So what this means is starting today, regular everyday investors are able to buy what are called Bitcoin ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, on major exchanges like the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, and the Chicago Board of Options. And they're able to gain access to an asset they couldn't before. Before this, if you wanted exposure to Bitcoin, you had to go to a crypto exchange like Coinbase to do it. It came with hefty fees. It was confusing for a lot of folks, and it was a deal breaker.
Now, regulators have been reluctant to approve cryptocurrency ETFs. Why is that, and why are they doing it now?
So the crypto industry has been lobbying for this approval for the better part of a decade now, and the regulators always came back and denied it, saying the market is highly volatile, it is prone to market manipulation, there's too much fraud and not enough protections for investors. The turning point was the SEC lost a lawsuit last year against one of the firms that wanted to sell these Bitcoin ETFs. So it made them, forced them to really take a hard look at this market again, and whether or not they should open it up to the overall public. Now, in saying yes to these ETFs, the SEC is saying, look, we're not approving it, we're not endorsing it, and in fact, the SEC chair, Gary Gensler, coming out with this red flag: investors should remain cautious about the myriad risks associated with Bitcoin and products whose value is tied to crypto.
So what are you watching for as people now get their first chance to invest in these funds?
We want to see how much interest there is out there. I can tell you that Bitcoin's price rose 7% overnight on this news, now trading at $49,000. It started last year at $17,000, so it is a highly volatile market. But this is the litmus test for the cryptocurrency market in this legitimate world, if you will, of trading on the big major regulated stock exchanges. Depending on how this goes, we could see more cryptocurrencies like Ether get their own ETFs and open up to more regular, everyday investors.
All right. ABC News business reporter Alexis Christoforous, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.